What's up, guys? After you click the button below this video, you'll be taken to this screen here on the Chrome Web Store where you'll see Genius Messenger CRM. From here you can click this button to add to Chrome. I've already got it installed, so it's got a remove from Chrome button for me now. But once you do that, you'll see the extension up here. It'll be this G icon. If you hover over it, it says Genius Messenger CRM. Once you pop that up, you'll be taken to a login screen. It'll look something like this. So this is where you'll enter your email and your password that you received when you signed up for Genius Messenger CRM. If you forget your password or you need to reset it, you can click this Forgot Password tab and enter your email here. If you have any issues with this process, go ahead and shoot me an email at support@tryjohnson.com and I'll get that sorted out for you. So this step, we're just installing the extension, making sure we have this icon up here and we're able to log in okay. So after you've got that done, you can go to the next video and we'll continue with this training.